Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you how I found cleaning my entire house with just one product. So if you've watched my channel or follow me on Instagram, you'll have probably seen that I recently ordered a new cleaning product called Co. I think it's called Co as in eco because it's eco-friendly. And it claims to be an all-rounder, so an all-purpose cleaner that can pretty much be used to clean your entire home. Now I've tested it for the past few weeks and I've used it to, pretty much clean everything. So from windows, glass and mirrors, my high gloss kitchen cabinets, greasy stovetops, backsplash, bathroom basins, the toilet, the shower, and my absolute cleaning nemesis, the glass shower screen. Now I'm going to give you a bit of a spoiler and let you know that I actually really like a lot of things about this product. But before we go into what I like and the few things I didn't like, I just wanted to share with you what I got in the starter pack that I ordered. So I picked the option to have the 4-litre product pack, 1 atomizer spray bottle, the mixed microfiber cleaning cloths, 2 all-purpose, 1 for bathrooms and 1 specifically for glass and mirrors. And the pack also came with 4 diamond sponges. I didn't choose the option that included a spray mop for the floors because I already have one of these. You don't have to wake up yet. So first up, let's take a look at all the things that I did clean using Co and starting in the kitchen. So I've been doing some pretty messy cooking. I'd made dinner the night before I filmed this and cooked bacon on my stovetop, so things were pretty greasy and grimy. So I sprayed down the surface of the stovetop with Co and just let it sit for a while. And I went ahead and cleaned the glass splashback. Now normally when my stove and splashback are super messy and greasy, I do like a 2-stage clean. So either using an anti-back wipe or a damp paper towel. I'll go in and pick up all the grease and then go in with product and a microfiber cleaning cloth. So for this test, I just went straight in with the Co and their all-rounder green cleaning cloth, and I found that it did an excellent job at cutting through the grease and it cleaned up my stovetop perfectly with absolutely no streaks whatsoever left, which is awesome because I find that even using regular degreaser, method heavy-duty degreaser, and their stainless steel spray, it still leaves this kind of streaking. So I found that this product left no streaks, which was awesome because that is one thing that I was really looking for. I did also want to point out that the microfiber cleaning cloths that come with the starter pack, they are absolutely awesome. They are literally probably up there with the best cleaning cloths that I've ever used. And I also like the little finger scrubby thing that they've got going on in the corner. That makes it really easy to just pay attention to like any built-on grime, slip your finger in and then scrub it away. But be careful using this as it is a scourer and it can potentially scratch some surfaces. The Co spray and glass cleaning cloth combo give a really good result. I only find that the cloth that they give you that's specifically for glass and mirrors, it's kind of grabby or it kind of grips to the mirror or glass surface, which takes a bit of getting used to, but the result really is excellent. It just, like I said, does take a bit of getting used to. The other thing that takes a bit of getting used to is the atomizer spray. So it's not just like a regular spray bottle. You kind of spray the trigger and the product just kind of keeps coming out like an atomizer. So you do need to be careful that you don't overspray, as they do say on their own advertising and all of their websites and Facebook groups, that less is definitely more when it comes to using this product. So definitely something to be mindful of. I found the first time that I used it to clean my windows, I sprayed way too much product and it ended up kind of leaving a layer of residue that took quite a while to buff out with the cloth. It gave me a huge workout. So go easy on how much product you actually use. So another of my favorite things to use Co on was my high gloss kitchen cabinets. Again, I left these for a few weeks between cleans, so they had a pretty decent layer of cooking grease to deal with. It wiped right off, it cleaned up in a breeze. I did the touch test on the cabinets too, because I know that some cleaners, they don't leave the cabinets feeling clean. but after using Co, they were totally dry. There was definitely no stickiness or greasiness and no streaks, which is absolutely awesome, because normally when I clean my high gloss cabinets, I have to go in with an all-purpose cleaner to kind of cut the grease and clean them, and then I'll have to go in again with something like a glass cleaner, just to get rid of the streaks and to make sure that they're really glossy and they're not tacky or sticky from any product residue. Liked how the fridge, my stainless steel fridge, came up after using Co. Again, I know that using Method stainless steel cleaner or heavy duty degreaser, sometimes they can leave a bit of streaking, but this definitely left no streaks. And again, I'm not sure if it's the product or if it's the microfiber cloths, which are awesome, but I really have been super impressed how it doesn't leave streaks on things like glass and stainless steel. I also use it to give my sink a quick clean. And although I do have to say there was a little bit of a rust mark, I think I had a can sitting in the sink or something, it didn't remove that. So I think for like cleaning your sink, nothing is going to clean your sink as clean as like a cream cleanser, for example. But it definitely did a great job just for getting it everyday clean. And I would be happy to use this on an everyday basis, no problem.
Taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6.
So into the bedroom, and again using the glass cleaning cloth for the mirrors and picture frames. I really like the way it brings up mirrors. I don't know if it's the product or the cloth or a combination of both of these things, like I mentioned before in the kitchen splashback and the fridge, but these things together just work awesome. Just be mindful of how much you use, and remember less is more, because if you put too much, you are going to be sat there buffing that product off for ages. You've just got to work on getting just the right amount, and it just ends up bringing the mirrors up so clean, no streaks, no marks. So definitely happy with this on the mirrors and glass.
Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. 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 Heartbreak.
For the bathroom, again, the mirrors came up really great. The basin and the outside of the toilet, I didn't use it to clean the inside of the toilet bowl as I use a disinfecting product here, but I think even a cloth with damp water, like a dampened cloth with water on it, can usually do the job for basin exterior of your toilet. So I guess anything you use is going to get the job done, so you can't really test, you can't really judge a product on cleaning things like that, but it did come up great, and there was no like streak marks on the glossy surfaces, which again is something that I definitely appreciate. Now onto the glass shower screens, which I have an ongoing love-hate relationship with. I absolutely love how they look. for the 5 minutes that they stay clean after you have spent half a day scrubbing them. But keeping them clean and soap scum free feels like it is a part-time job in itself. I sprayed the shower screens down and let the product sit while I had cleaned the rest of the bathroom before, like I normally do, and then went in with the microfiber cloth and wiped and buffed like crazy. So this job is always going to require some degree of elbow grease, unless you're cleaning your shower screens like literally after every time you use them, which I'm definitely not doing. I don't really expect to just use this product and then it will just like spray on and wipe off with absolutely no effort whatsoever. But it did do an amazing job of breaking down the soap scum, and literally every time since I've cleaned this shower screen, whenever I walk into the bathroom, get shocked by how see-through they are. So it's definitely made them a lot cleaner than I'm used to. So definitely happy with how they came up on the shower screens. Oh, the other thing that was included in the starter pack that I picked up were the diamond sponges. So I've kind of been too nervous to really try these out, as I know diamond sponges, which you can also get from Daiso and I think Bunnings as well, it can scratch some surfaces, including glass and shower screens, so definitely use these with caution. I did use mine around the base of my bathroom basin tap. I didn't get it on this film, but I did it earlier on in one of my tests, which had some hard water kind of build up on it, and it got it off no problem. But honestly, you can also use a cloth that's soaked in vinegar and get the exact same outcome, so I wouldn't say that the diamond sponges are an absolute necessity to get. They just came in the starter pack that I purchased. Kind of similar to my comments on the bathroom basin and toilet exterior cleaning when I use the co-cleaner for dusting surfaces. Yes, it definitely got them clean, but when you kind of, you can use a random cleaner and it will get your surfaces dusted. So I don't think that judging the performance of this product on dusting random surfaces really gives any idea of how good it is as a product. One thing I did find that it worked amazingly on was my iMac screen, which I've never been able to get 100% clean, even with my favorite method glass cleaner. I've always found that it leaves these kind of horizontal streaks that you can kind of see like the bands inside the screen with. It's kind of weird to explain, but this product got it clean like 100%, like no streaks, you cannot see a single mark on that Mac screen. And same with my iPad and my iPhone screens. It got those cleaner than I've seen it get anything. I also found that trying to get the exact amount of product to clean my windows took the most time. It was pretty hard, especially using the specialized glass and window cleaning cloth that came with the starter pack. That grabby kind of grippy effect made cleaning my huge windows literally worse than a gym workout. So I switched up the cloths and it was much easier. I also use a different type of cloth and co to clean the exterior of my windows, as these hadn't been cleaned in probably a few months, so they were pretty dirty and dusty, and I didn't want to trash the new glass cleaning cloth, so I just used an old cleaning rag to clean up, and that worked really well. So apart from these few things, I am really impressed with the cleaning performance of this one product. I'll leave a link to their website if you're interested in checking them out. This video is not sponsored. I don't receive any affiliate commissions or anything. I purchased this product with my own money. I was actually recommended to try Co by a friend from work who actually saw one of my videos and suggested I try it because she loved it so much. So I've heard mixed reviews from some people. I honestly think that the few negative comments that I've heard are really due to using way too much of the product. Exactly the issue that I had the first time that I used it, especially on Windows where you just see everything. So as long as you can get the amount of product right, I think you are going to be really impressed with how this product works. I use it also to spot clean my floors, and again, my laminate timber floors come up really great. They're very low maintenance to clean with regular floor cleaner and a microfiber cloth or a microfiber mop. I use the Coke to clean my glossy tiled floors in the bathroom, and I think it did a better job than any other floor cleaner I've used on them. So after using this product for a few weeks now and testing it out on pretty much every surface of my home, I'm definitely impressed and recommend it. I wouldn't say it is going to replace all my cleaning supplies, just because I do enjoy trying and using different products, and I think some things, like I mentioned before, like a cream cleanser to clean your sink with to get it really gleaming clean, and a disinfectant to use on your toilet bowl, specialty cleaners like this I don't think it can replace. However, as an all-rounder, all-purpose cleaner, it sure makes it a whole lot easier when you just want to quickly clean your house super fast and you only need to use the one product. If you've tried Co, please let me know in the comments how you found it, or if you live outside of Australia and New Zealand where Co is currently shipped to, do you have a similar product like this that cleans everything, and how have you found it if you've tried it? Alright, so that just about wraps things up for today's video. If you enjoyed it and have hung out to the end, be sure to hit the like button and let me know. It really makes a difference to my channel, and it gives me insight into what types of video content people find interesting and engaging. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe before you go, or better yet, click on another video and hang out for a little bit longer. I will leave one that I think you'll like in the end screen. Have a great week, stay safe, have fun cleaning, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone!